everyone, welcome to Earn with Aishami. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn image to video using GoogleFlow.
Hello guys, welcome back to Earn with Aishami. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can also generate image to video without Grok. Yes, another AI tool that you can use for free to generate. No, it's not free. Yes, but it's free. So this is what I'm trying to say. Wait, listen carefully. This website is Google Gemini. I'm going to be dropping video here in the right corner or left corner of this video, how to generate Google Gemini for free for a month, how to bypass it without paying a dime. You can use this free version for a month. Yes, Google Pro, you can get it for a month without paying a dime. So the tutorial is there in this right corner or left corner of this video, so do well to go and watch the video. Yes, so and the website is GoogleFlow. So you go to your Chrome browser, then you type GoogleFlow. You can generate how you use Grok to generate video. Since Grok is not, you know that in my video that I create, that how to get Grok, how to generate your video using Grok for free with Kia API. Yes, I'm doing the second tutorial how you can also use GoogleFlow. Yes, you can also use GoogleFlow. So let's get started. On your Chrome browser, type Google GoogleFlow. GoogleFlow. So this is Google Lab Flow. You click on it. Here is it. You click on it. So you click on it. After clicking on it, so you see create with flow. Create with flow. Create. So you click on get started. You click on less, then you click on new project, that plus button, new project. After getting your Google Pro for free for a month, you click on this plus button. Click on this plus button. This is the interface. You click on this plus button. You see this upload image. Click upload image. First thing, yes, you click on this upload image. After clicking on the upload image to add the image that we are going to be animating. So I want to use this image, this image, this image. So I want to be using that image. So add the image, then you see next thing to do. Please watch me step by step as I'm doing creating this. Follow me step by step. You see this nano banana, you click on it. You click on it, then you are going to you click on it, then to choose the size. We are creating video. You click on it to add the size 16:9. Yes, 16:9. I want to give my own prompt. I want to say the lady say says. So this one is for tutorial purpose. You get your own prompt ready. So I don't have my prompt, so I just want to use this as an example. The lady says, hello everyone, welcome to Him with Aishami. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn image to video using GoogleFlow. Then you click on the arrow button. You click on the arrow button, this arrow button. You click on it. So let's wait for it to generate. So our video is ready. Let's play it. Bam.
Hello everyone, welcome to Earn with Aishami. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn image to video using GoogleFlow.
Can you see that?
Hello
Can you
everyone,
see how
welcome to
beauty,
Earn with
how
Aishami.
beautiful it
In this
was?
tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn image to video
Video.
using GoogleFlow.
Can you see that? So very simple as that. Very simple as that. So what you need to do now is to go and get your Google Pro for free for 1 month. You are not paying a dime. Just follow me step by step in the video. So you see the video in the right corner or the left corner of this video, or in the playlist on my video, you see how to get Google AI Pro for free. And also, you after watching that Google AI Pro for free, you see a video on how to cancel your Google, how to cancel your subscription so that they will not deduct any your money. So be fast, rush and go now. So what are you waiting for? What you need to be doing every month, you can change card. You can change card to create another subscription every month. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe.